Understanding the psychology of money can significantly impact our financial decisions. It's not just about numbers, it involves emotions, beliefs, and behaviors that shape our relationship with wealth. Gaining insight into these perspectives can lead to better money management and investment strategies. One critical lesson is recognizing that money often amplifies our existing behaviors and traits. If someone is generous, they may become more giving with wealth, while a person who struggles with impulse control may spend recklessly when financially successful. Awareness of these tendencies is the first step toward better financial habits. Another important takeaway is the difference between being wealthy and being rich. Wealth includes assets and investments that contribute to financial independence over time, whereas being rich often refers to having a high income, which can be fleeting. Focusing on building wealth through strategic investments rather than chasing high income can lead to sustainable financial health. The concept of loss aversion is also crucial. People tend to feel the pain of losses more intensely than the pleasure from gains of the same amount. This psychological bias can lead to overly cautious investment decisions or a failure to engage in beneficial risks. Understanding this can encourage healthier approaches to investing and spending. Moreover, the influence of social comparison cannot be underestimated. Many people gauge their financial success based on the status of their peers. However, this leads to unnecessary pressure and poor financial choices driven by envy or inadequacy. Shifting focus from comparison to personal goals can enhance satisfaction and financial well-being. Another lesson is the importance of having a money mindset that encourages learning and growth. Those who view financial challenges as opportunities to learn and improve tend to create more wealth over time. Acknowledging that mistakes are part of the journey can foster resilience and better decision-making. Developing a long-term perspective on money can drastically change financial outcomes. Those who prioritize saving and investing for the future tend to accumulate more wealth than those who focus solely on immediate gratification. It's essential to balance enjoying the present with planning for the future to achieve financial security. The way we perceive time also plays a critical role in financial psychology. Many individuals struggle with delaying gratification, leading to poor spending habits and debt. Learning to value long-term rewards over short-term pleasures can fundamentally change the trajectory of one's financial future. Finally, understanding that money is a tool rather than a goal can significantly alter one's financial journey. When we view money as a means to pursue our passions and values, rather than an end in itself, we can cultivate a healthier relationship with it. This perspective allows us to focus on what truly matters in life and align our financial decisions with our core values. By applying these lessons, individuals can develop a more constructive relationship with money, leading to better financial decisions, increased wealth, and enhanced overall well-being. Understanding the psychological factors at play in our financial lives opens the door to a more intentional and rewarding approach to managing money.